Hi there, welcome to the Tailored Classroom. I'm Taylor, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a topic in your Google Classroom Classwork tab. So to begin, you should be in your Google Classroom, and you're going to come up here to the Classwork tab. Go ahead and click on Classwork, and it's going to bring you to this page. You're going to click on Create, and you're going to be presented with a list of choices. We're going to click on Topic. It's going to present you with the place to write in a topic. I'm going to choose Welcome for right now. You're going to type it in and click Add. Now I have one section already in my Classwork section of my Google Classroom. Over here you will start to see a list of all of the topics that you have created. Eventually you will start to see all of the assignments or material posted under each section. Now we're going to go ahead and create another topic. So you're going to click Create again, scroll down to Topic, and we're going to type in Reading and click Add. And I'm going to create one more topic just to show you math, just to show you how these can move around in your Google Classroom. So now you're looking at this and you're thinking, well, I don't want welcome to be at the bottom. That's okay. Google is very customizable and they allow for a lot of customization. So if you want your welcome tab to be back up at the top, when you hover over here, you can see, if I hover any part of this, a shadow kind of outlines the box. If you click on this and drag your mouse, you can see how it's holding onto it and it's dragging it back to the top. Now, if you're someone who says, I cannot click and drag, these three dots right here allow you, if you click on them, they allow you to move up and down in the classwork section. So for instance, if I wanted math to be below reading, I would click on the three dots, click move down, and math is now here. And in the same event, you could also move this back and forth to where you want it. It's completely up to you, whatever you're comfortable with. I also wanted to mention that if you would like to edit the topic, you can come to these three dots again and click rename. And you can also delete it if you just want to start over. So there are many different options and there's always a way to fix something if you don't like the way you've done it the first time. You can create many more topics just by clicking topic right here under create. That's how you create a topic in your Google Classroom. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next one.